Welcome back everyone, we're here today to show you the SN44 articulated bandsaw. This machine is perfect for on-site or in your workshop thanks to its fixed and mobile bases, meaning it's perfect for multiple different industries such as timber framing and fencing. The articulated arm has smooth movement all the way around. You've got the capacity to put a 3mm blade, meaning you can cut small radii. You can clamp multiple pieces into here and cut them in one easy pass. You've got a 390mm throat depth and a 370mm cutting height on this model. There is a whopping 3 horsepower motor and much more, but we're going to fire it up and show you how it works. So on the base support here, you can see you've got your 2 rests for your workpiece, and then this is all adjustable, so you have your rear support, which is adjustable in the length. You've also got your clamping mechanism here, which can be adjusted in and out to suit your stock. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the workpiece on here and show you how to clamp it up. So now the piece is loaded on there, we're going to adjust the clamp to suit it. So we're going to bring it in so it's just above the center, and then going to adjust the height down so it's touching our workpiece. That way I can then apply pressure and keep the piece secure. So around the back of the machine here, you can see you've got your scale and your assisted gas lift piston for the tilt. So all we need to do is undo this handle, and then minimal effort, you can lift it up all the way to 45 degrees. And then you can use the locking handle to lock it into any position in that scale. We can bring it back down to 0, so we can cut at 90 degrees. So at the front of the machine here, you can see you've got your main power isolator. So you turn that on. Once it has full power, it's got the red light there. You have your brake release button and an emergency stop button. Then for the operation, you've got 2 handles here. Both of these need to be triggered at exactly the same time, so it's a 2-trigger operation. At the back of the machine, you can see you have your guide rail here, so this needs to be adjusted to the thickness of the material that you're cutting. So as you can see with this articulated arm, it runs so smoothly, it takes very minimal effort to cut any radius that you wish to cut. And there you have it, that is the Dario SN44 articulated bandsaw. It's made light work of huge timber sections. It's got a whole host of different options you can add to it. You can have automatic feeding, larger saw frames, stone and marble cutting, and a whole host more. But if you've got any other questions, feel free to give us a call or send us an email.